here we are at Bonus. Today we'll tell you about Iceland grocery prices, what you should get here and what you can probably buy here.
So we'll mention all the prices in dollars. You can check yourself. These prices are mentioned in ISK, and I'll update with the actual conversion. And then you have different kind of breads, and this is the kronas bread.
This is the cheapest.
Yeah, you have multiple stuff. You can just pause the video and check the prices yourself. And then you have some chips and snacks here. And in case you want some energy drinks, they are also available. Pringles for you. And fruit juices. You have a wide variety of options available.
Okay, this section is like entering into a refrigerator, literally. It's very cold. And here you will find fresh produce. Sorry for fresh produce. So the fruits, the vegetables, everything is here. You can look at the prices. These are again in ISK. On the screens, you can see those in USD.
So you have fresh avocados available here, then fresh vegetables, and the staple of the diet, potato. You have eggs as well, different varieties.
A quick bite to grab on the go. So you're in a hurry, you can do that. Amongst all of these, I think probably you'll find a couple of vegetarian ones. There was something here which was vegan.
Yeah, you do have vegetarian options as well here.
So extremely limited, but yeah, you can survive. So this is animal produce here, all of the meats.
The prices are mentioned on the screen, and then packaged meat.
Alright. So here we are. These are the almond and oat milks for our plant-based kit. And now we are moving to the best section again. I was really excited. Everyone had told me so much about scare in Iceland. We have got tons of them and the review will be up soon. But this is a section where you can find all of those. So Scare is a sort of, it's not a brand, it's a sort of item. It's like yogurt, and different brands produce it, so you can find the entire shelves loaded with scares. So in Iceland, there's one thing you must try, which is a scare.
And then you have option of milk as well. Some more scare and yogurt, butter.
Okay.
So this is the cheese section. You have world famous cheeses available here. World famous cheese available here. Different kind of cheese. Options of already packaged food. Or ready to cook food.
If you want to throw together a quick meal at home just to cut on the cost, it will be pretty cheap, though the prices are reasonable. I mean, from the point of view that it's Iceland and everything is imported, they, to be very honest, are affordable from that sense. And then there are all the options of some
So in case you are in a hurry, you can take all these and cook them very quickly, very quickly. So you have options of tortilla as well, and
Tacos,
you can
make some tacos, lots of taco sauce.
so easy to put together meal options.
So for all the ladies, these are the prices of anything if you forget. So I don't think they are unaffordable here. Yeah, that's all right. Okay, before coming to Iceland, we sort of packed literally everything, which you ideally should, but in case you forget something, obviously there's everything available in Iceland. The entire point is the price point. There you go. You can have a look. But if you miss something, it's alright. I wish we sort of had this before we came here. We would have literally a bit underpacked.
Yeah.
From a food and all of this perspective,
And that is one of the reasons why we are doing this video. Just get an idea.
One thing I would really recommend in Iceland is getting yourself some fitness bars, protein bars or energy bars, or Snickers is also a good option. They are very filling. So you can look at these prices here, because I'm pretty sure either you buy like so many from home or you can stock them up here, which I would recommend because they are not exorbitantly high. Priced all right. These are some of the frozen items. The main issue is the dairy products, because they don't have like those kind of Tetra Pak milk which we were hoping to get, and everything like in dairy, cheese, milk, everything is to be stored from 0 to 4 degrees, and hence we can't buy it too much because we are going to keep traveling. So that's the thing that we'll need to keep restocking as well. So that's the thing to keep in your mind. And yeah. Okay, one thing you must not buy in Iceland to cut down your cost is water. They have tap water which literally comes from the glaciers, so this is a waste of money. The locals, they don't touch it. It's just the tourists who come and buy and pile up their bills. Just get a reusable bottle of water and fill it up from any stream, from any tap, and you're good to go. So this is the bonus in Reykjavik, or just outside Reykjavik I would say, and you will find them in plenty of the places. Use your map to pick them out and plan beforehand where you want to buy what from. And these are some of the cereals, morning cereals, which you can use while on the go. What's that?
It's oat burst, so you can basically just mix in water or milk and it's ready.
So there are many ready-to-eat options available here as well. The pricing for this. So yeah, overall, what do you have to say about bonus? I think
it's kind of affordable, even though it's
by Icelandic standards.
Yeah, by Icelandic standard, that's what I mean. But in India, you'll get most of things for at least half the price. Yeah. At least half the price you'll get these things, and some things are exorbitantly expensive here. So yeah.
But obviously that's bound to happen because everything gets imported. I mean, it's an island. What else do we expect, right?
So I hope this list, or whatever you saw, you can decide what all things you want to pack and what all things you can come here and you can buy them rather than
buy them directly rather than correct. That is one thing I wish someone had told us, like things like rice and tortillas and all of those, you could get it. So overall we are done. This is the ice cream section, not of any use to us, but then just showcasing the same to you. So these are the prices, and we are done with our shopping, and we purchased goods around 6.5k ISK. Let's see how many days it lasts.